Let's tell an ancient story. Once upon a time, there was a certain 10 tribes with several young kings and queens. These tribes feared a valiant queen who fought fearlessly to destroy the 10 tribes. But with the rise of a certain powerful king called King Ankish, the gods made it difficult for her. King Ankish was the only king who could listen and talk with the gods. His trusted friend, King La, was always with him, and they loved each other until the coming of a certain golden maiden called Ori. Ori was seen as a girl by her queen, but she was not any ordinary girl.
Speaking, do something. What are you doing? Do something.
Maybe if we join forces together, we can rescue her.
What should I do?
Be the queen of Amo-Ame. Raise up your staff of authority after the incantation. Point it at the mirror at the center as a point man. Hebrew katakasakatakasa. Hebrew. Hebrew. Hebrew.
Is she dead?
She's still alive. I will send a guy there to protect her in the evil forest.
Do all you can to protect her all through our mission. And I will reward you.
Your wish has been granted, my queen.
It's okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
The gods are calling.
May the words of our gods favor us.
The gods are wise. Rest in peace. Son of Zuba, and the favorite of the gods. Listen to the voice of Zola, your god. The wicked Queen Ama, Queen of the Outcast. Ama and her kingdom has conspired with the Black Witch to bring down your kingdom. The gods are wise.
Ori, my beautiful maiden, the fairest of them all, the most beautiful maiden in my kingdom. The blessings of the queen and of the gods are with you.
My queen, you summoned me. Do you want me to dance for you?
No, you will not be dancing today, but you shall go on an errand to deliver a message to King Ankish of Zola. Tell him that I am ready to surrender.
My queen, the Amo forest is very dangerous and evil. No one ventures into it and comes out alive.
Ori, my dear, you are a daughter of the gods. No evil shall ever befall you. Besides, the Black Witch here shall fortify you against evil.
Yes, my queen.
When you are done with the mission, you shall be united with my brother in marriage. And I shall gift the both of you half of my kingdom.
Thank you, Your Majesty. My queen, I am more delighted to risk my life in service of your kingdom.
My blessings are with you, my daughter. Go with the Black Witch and be fortified.
Long live my queen. Your dinner is served. My queen, your brother, Prince Murray, awaits you at the banquet hall.
Tell him that I'll be with him shortly.
Thank you, my queen.
Drink this. It will fortify you against the evil forest. When you get to King Ankish, make sure you look at him before you deliver the message.
Yes, great one.
when you have an eye contact with him, he will obey and do anything you ask him to do.
Yes, Great One.
You will break it at the entrance of the forest. You will become invincible to a table white beast.
Thank you, Great One.
Grow. May the power of day and light be with you. Go in peace.
Gods of my ancestors, how can I overcome such conspiracy?
Ankish. Ankish.
Your servant listens.
Receive the messenger with friendly tenderness and kind hospitality, for she is from the gods. But do not look at her eyes when you talk to her, for her eyes are enchanted with black magic.
Your servant shall carry out your wishes. The gods are wise.
Don't worry, I won't kill you. I am your friend. The Black Witch sent me to come guide you through the forest. Come, take this, eat, for I know you are hungry.
No. I don't want anything from you.
You have to eat.
Oh.
Really? Eat, for the helper is from me.
Greetings, my king. Did my king sleep well?
Queen Ame Kingdom is on a dangerous mission.
And what are the gods saying about it?
Receive the messenger with friendly tenderness and kind hospitality, for she is from the gods. But do not look at her eyes when you talk to her, for her eyes are enchanted with black magic.
How do you solve this puzzle?
The gods are wise.
Gods are wise.
Long live your majesty.
Speak.
A fair maiden awaits your majesty at the throne chamber. She is a messenger from Nigeroan Kingdom. Hail His Majesty, King Angus, King of Zola Kingdom, favorite of the gods.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Fair maiden, what brings you to my palace?
Your Majesty, my name is Ori. I'm here to deliver a message from Queen Amo of Amoeme Kingdom.
Fair maiden, state your business.
Will His Majesty be kind enough to turn and look into the eyes of the lonely handmaiden before I deliver my message?
Fair maiden, if you want me to look into your eyes, you must first look into the eyes of the male servant standing in front of you.
Command me, my queen. I am here to serve you. Seize her! She's evil! Let her be.
Fair maiden, tell the male servant to go back to his people and never return to the palace.
Servant, go back to your people and never return to the palace till you die.
Yes, my queen.
Rise. I hold you no grudge.
Your Majesty, I don't understand.
I know.
What happened? How did it happen?
The mission failed.
But you assured me of success. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't take your head this morning.
Mercy, my queen. I have never failed you.
Enough! But you failed me. At the time I needed you most. This was my last chance of conquering Ankish. This was my last chance. of conquering King Ankish, King of Zola, and destroying the 10 kingdoms. But you thwarted it.
Mercy, my friend.
Take her out of my sight! Keep her in the dungeon until I say otherwise.
Mercy, my queen. The gods saved him.
I'm King of Zoom. You may have won this battle, but the war rages on. The gods may have saved you today, but don't you ever forget that I am God. I am a God. Leave my sight.
A powerful black magic from the Black Witch and Queen Amor has enslaved that male servant. For as long as he lives, he'll forever be your slave.
Your Majesty, I'm just a dancer. I know nothing about black magic.
Get up. The gods have saved you. Take your robe off. Truly you're from the gods. For only a goddess can be this beautiful.
I'm flattered, my king.
Your beauty shall be talked about from generations to come. People from all over the 10 tribes shall gather to see you. Kings and queens shall want your seed for their prince and princesses. Your beauty shall be talked about over the 10 tribes for years to come. And from this day forward, you shall be known as Aura of Desirability.
I'm a lonely maiden in my mistress' palace, a vessel of entertainment to my queen's male visitors. There's nothing to be desired about me, but my king, your fame surpasses the land and beyond.
Aura of Desirability. What do you know about me?
You are King Ankish of Zola Kingdom, favorite of the gods, the protector of the 10 tribes, the first king to write with the secret Uli Edeli ink. The gods whisper to you.
Beauty and wisdom.
My king, you told your servant to look into my eyes. How did you know about my mission?
The gods whisper to me. An enchantment from the Black Witch has enslaved that male servant's soul. Aura of Desirability. The gods have chosen you. You cannot go back to your palace. For if you return to Queen Amor, you shall be joined with her brother, who worships the god of war, and together you shall both destroy the 10 tribes.
May the God forbid that I have a hand in the destruction of others.
The gods have saved you.
Thank you, my king.
Take Aura to the Maiden's chambers. Give her whatever she wants. From this day, you shall be known and addressed as the Maiden of Zola Kingdom.
You asked her to stay. Are you not afraid that she might be used against you?
I understand your fears. But the instructions of the gods must be obeyed.
King Amon and her people might come back for her.
Who are you more afraid of? Queen Amor and the Ame Kingdom, or the gods of the 10 tribes? Ori is a maiden of the gods. She stays where they want her to stay.
You must really like her. That's why you gave her aura of desirability.
Go to bed, woman. Purge yourself of all jealousy. The gods are wise.
The gods are wise indeed.
I want to lie with you tonight, so I can feel your sweet fragrance.
My lord, this is a time of the month where the kings avoid their queens.
Very well. Rest. The kings and queens of the 10 tribes will be here in 2 days. I need you to prepare for them.
Good night, my king.
Truly, you're from the gods. For only a goddess can be this beautiful. You shall be known as Aura of Desirability. Take Aura to the Maiden's chambers and give her whatever she wants. From this day forward, you shall be known and addressed as a Maiden of Zola Kingdom. Kings and queens shall want your seed for their prince and princesses.
Is the king seeking for another wife? Let me see that woman and just look into her eyes.
Greetings, ma'am.
You must be the new maiden.
Yes, and who might you be?
I am Queen Mira, Queen of Zula Kingdom.
Greetings, my queen. I'm so sorry, my queen.
I understand you're a visitor, that's okay. You are really an aura of disability, like my husband said. Your beauty is glorious before the gods. So much that the kings and the queens of the 10 tribes will gather for your sake. You are really created the day the gods were rested.
My gratitude, your majesty.
Have some rest, and may the gods be with you.
I want to congratulate all of us for gathering the first moon as we always do, to celebrate the good harvest and the wise words of the gods. Please, let us eat, drink, and make merry. The gods have been good.
These are goddess amongst men.
Zola Kingdom is blessed with beautiful damsels.
Indeed, beautiful. Fair maiden, which family are you from?
Ori, the aura of desirability, is from Queen Amor Kingdom.
How can something so beautiful come from a kingdom with so much hatred and wickedness?
The gods have set her aside because she is different. She is a maiden after the heart of the gods.
The greatest irony of life. When the gods are involved, good can come out of evil.
The gods are wise. The gods are wise.
Please, let's make merry. Queen's up. Excuse me. My queen. Leave, Aura. You have no business here.
I came to help.
You cannot help me. This is beyond you.
I can. I received a message from the gods concerning this yesterday.
What did the gods tell you concerning this yesterday?
My first king will be used as a tablet in which you write on, and I'll pass the message to the kings and queens of the 10 tribes.
The queen will not be pleased to see this.
I'm not pleased to expose my body in public. But who am I to disobey the gods? Sacred traits and agreement will be signed on this tablet from today.
The gods are wise.
Is everything going all right? Everyone fed? Please make sure go around the table, make sure that everyone is okay. All right? Thank you. Wait, Mira! Wait.
Kweza, hope everything is okay. It's only a blind eyes that cannot see the obvious truth. I do not understand. You do not understand. My dear, it is not a sin for you to be concerned for your husband when the woman involved is as beautiful as a goddess.
Well, I follow the directives of the guards.
Take my advice. Keep an eye on that girl from Amo Ame. I learned she came bearing a black magic in her eyes.
Kwanzaa, like I said, I will never disobey the guards. All them, thank you. Excuse me.
Queen Mira, open your eyes. Don't be a fool.
My lord, what are you doing?
The god spoke to Ori.
Splendor, father. Let the will of the gods be done.
The gods are wise. Ah! Oh. The gods are wise.
Honorable Queen of my friend and brother, is everything all right?
It's not too easy to be at the service of the gods.
You have to be careful, lest you bring the wrath of the gods on you and your family. Queen Mira, where is my friend and brother?
He coming on to the guards. Let the celebration continue.
All hail His Majesty, King Anki, King of Zola Kingdom, favorite of the gods, protector of the 10 tribes, bearer of the sacred message of the gods.
What is the message from the gods? Get me the fair maiden.
Desirability. Take off your robe. This is the message from the gods.
Isn't this strange?
From now on, Ori, the aura of desirability, will be the vessel on which the message from the gods is written. Let's all read the message.
This is a difficult task. The West is wicked and ruthless. Amo and her brother Ame
They are warmonger. True.
Okay. Let's marry. Let's marry.
Let us all retreat to our private chambers. Tomorrow we shall deliberate on the message from the gods. Bring the queen to my chambers. The gods are wise.
The gods are wise.
My queen.
I'm not sexy anymore. I'm a know your lady.
You powers of the night! Show me! I want to know where my servant, Ori, is. Amor Razum!
That can't be possible. This can't be possible.
Get me the Black Witch now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Smaz?
Long live Your Majesty.
I am letting you go this time. Because of all you have done in the past for this great kingdom. But if you fail me again, I will take your head.
Thank you, Your Majesty. You are too kind.
I want to know what has happened to my servant, Ori. Why hasn't she returned since after the failed mission?
Yalla Zua! Yallaka! Voya Zua! Yakata! Voya Zua! Yakata!
Ori cannot be alive and not appear here.
What are you saying? Are you saying Ori is dead?
My queen, That is the only answer.
But you said that the black magic will protect her. Here comes King Anki, King of Zola Kingdom.
Greetings, kings and queens of the 10 tribes of the gods. I believe we all have seen the message from the gods.
As we all know, the message is clear and simple. We shall all go and conquer the West with their evil witchcraft.
Since I lost my loving husband to the West, I've waited so long for this day to avenge his death and to bring his body back to his kingdom.
For how long shall we live in fear? We are no cowards. If the gods said we should conquer the West, then so be it.
There's no need to be afraid. We are in accordance with the gods, aren't we? Fear is a limitation.
We, the queens of the tribes, will stand firm with our kings. We will go to war and we
shall conquer.
Together we stand.
Long live the 10 tribes of the gods.
Now let's discuss what each of us are going to bring to the battle.
As one of the prominent king, I will come with my strong men.
And I will come with my relentless warriors. I will come with my warriors and my great sorcerer.
As a great queen, I will come with my scorpion poison.
On my own part, I will bring able-bodied men.
And I, King Law, I will come with my strong men.
And I will come with my men of valor.
And I will come with my strongest men.
I would also provide one of my finest warriors and provide your warriors with food and water for your horses.
As we all know, we will all come with our men to the battleground.
Together we stand.
Long live the 10 tribes of the gods.
It is time to sign the accord. Today before the gods, we sign an allegiance. Any tribe that backs down on his or her word shall perish, and their sons and daughters shall die. Together we stand.
Long live the 10 tribes of the gods.
Queen Amon, it is my pleasure to announce the arrival of the king, Zuba, the ruler of the West.
Her Majesty, Goddess of the Sun.
Amon! My great friend. Good to see you again. Thank you for accepting my request. Murray!
You're welcome, my great friend, King Zuba of the West.
The reason for my visit, Queen Hammer, is to solicit with you and your brother to help me because the 10 tribes of the gods want to take over my territory.
It will be my delight to bring those foolish kings to their knees and to show them how powerless they truly are.
I'm happy I will feel the same way. With your power to control the sun and your brother's ability to control the thunders, all I need is 10 men to cause the confusion. The black witch will bring a black magic, and the conquest is already in our favor.
No man, no matter their numbers, can fight with the gods and win.
Do not underestimate the power of human spirit. Be prepared or you get disappointed.
I am ready and prepared. They killed my precious golden maiden, Orim, the love of my life. This will be an opportunity to exert my revenge.
If that be the case, let's drink some more and marry. For what is in us is mightier than the man.
My lord, worry less. The gods are with you.
The West, they're known for their wickedness and witchcraft.
The gods will protect you. That is your promise. More so, Ori the maiden after your heart, it's going with you.
look so beautiful tonight. Lie with me, so that when I lie with the gods at tomorrow's dust, I will be happy and satisfied with your warmth.
Don't speak of such ill. The gods will bring you back safely, my lord.
Gods of Zola Kingdom, you brought me here for reasons best known to you. Tomorrow, together with the kings and queens of the 10 tribes, I shall face my people in battle. Please protect us from their evil and bring us back safely.
There are very few.
Queen Amor and her brother, Rain and Thunderstorm.
And the Black Wish is with them. May the gods protect us.
Be ready.
Isn't that Ori with them?
With her by their side, we will not win this war. She is favored by the gods.
Who might that be?
That's Ori, my servant. I sent her to go and destroy King Ankish for sending us out of his kingdom. But she never returned.
I will kill her with my bare hands.
Mind you, she is loved and protected by the gods. We must look for a way to get her back.
I know what to do.
Where's she going?
She knows what she is doing.
What you want will be given to you, if only you return my servant to me.
It is the will of the gods that she stays with me.
You are robbing my brother of his bride.
Give them the girl. Let us claim the land.
No. Ori was sent to me by the gods. If I give her back to her brother Ahmed, together they will destroy us.
Queen Amor, return my husband's body.
I will only do that if your leader here returns my servant to me. I know you came here to fight us, but don't you forget that we are half gods, half men. You can't beat us.
We will not fight them. Tell them we will send a message in 4 nights.
We will send a message in 4 nights.
I shall await your message in 4 nights. But if I don't see it, forget the West. It will never be yours. My friend Zuba, you win today. The West is yours, and I am with you.
Thank you, my great friend, for even the gods can't push me out of this land.
The just look forward to rest for tonight. My lord, your servant listens.
Fear not, for I am with you always.
I fear for my people. They are afraid of the Black Queen and her black magic.
I was with you when you conquered and united the North. I gave you the lands of the South and the East. Why will I not be with you in the West? Is the Black Witch more powerful than me?
No, my lord. What do I do? Shall I return Ori to the Black Mistress?
Listen and obey my instructions, and you and your people shall live. If you return her to Amo, both you and your people shall be wiped out of the face of this land.
My lord, I will obey.
Your Majesty, it's me, Ori.
What are you doing here? You're meant to be resting.
I couldn't sleep, so I followed you.
You followed me.
Sorry for intruding. I was looking for somewhere to ease myself.
Your mistress wants you for her brother, Ame.
If I don't go back, she will never rest until she gets me.
I promise you by the gods, I will give you a quarter of my treasure, and my prince will make you his queen if you stay in my kingdom.
If that be the truth, I swear by the gods to remain in your kingdom in both life and death.
Thank you, Aura of Desirability.
Your Majesty, the gratitude is mine.
What men do at the battlefield. I wanted this maiden for myself. It's obvious, Ankishwatamo. Instead, he lied to us that he was taking her to our people, telling us the gods wanted her more. I don't blame him, for even the gods fall for women. How much more, mortal man?
My king, do you think giving that maiden quarter of your treasure is worth it? Do you think it's a wise decision?
Queen Ame wants her for her brother Ame. If she is joined with Ame, together they will destroy the 10 tribes. I had to offer her something she would not refuse.
Is that why you want her for your son?
She would make a good queen. Like you, and the gods are with her.
My lord, don't you think that maiden is deceptive?
We took an oath in the presence of the gods by the fireplace. It's fine, okay?
I wish to see my son again. It's really been a long time.
Patience, my queen. Your time will come. I have to meet the kings in the chamber.
We cannot go to war with them. They are very powerful. King! Before we decide whether to return Obi or not, let us hear from the king because he's the only one that hears from the gods.
The king has a lot to say. He has a lot to say. Don't tell me that.
No. I want to go to the king. The gods are very powerful.
The gods want Ori to stay in Zola Kingdom.
What? That means war with Amoame is inevitable.
If the gods want us to go to war,
then so be it. I am not afraid.
yes.
Even with Queen Amo and her brother Ame, they have gods. Plus the Black Witch and King Zuba. Don't you think we should think it over properly?
The gods of the 10 tribes are greater than all of them.
We must not go.
Unless there's something you're not telling us, I suggest you send her back to her people.
No. Never!
You're raising your voice.
The order of the gods must be obeyed.
You will send her back to her people for them to release my husband.
I said never!
What is this maiden? What is wrong with this maiden? Just an ordinary maiden? What's up? We can go.
Power of a maiden is indeed in between her legs. I don't know which controls the king anymore. If it's that of the maiden or of the gods. Or our desirability.
My lord? What worries you? Don't say a word, my lord. Calm your spirit. Calm your spirit. The gods will bring peace to the land. My love, please follow the gods and all will be well. Come and have some rest. Tomorrow is another day. Please, come to me.
I say we go to war with them now.
Be careful what you wish for or what you fight for. We go to war because it is noble, and not because of a woman. For a woman who is yours today can be another's tomorrow.
Okay, fine. Okay. Fine. So, what is your plan? How do you intend to bring her back? After all, you were the one who sent her on that ill-fated mission.
Watch your mouth, Mori. I may be your sister. Don't forget that I am Amor, the queen of Ame Amor. Your queen.
But I have the right to know everything. I have the right to know.
Get out!
Forgive him for his ignorance, my queen. He's only a young man.
He is a stupid young.
Absolutely. Very nice. We'll meet again on the 4th moon, huh? Yeah.
There must be a way to find out what they are planning. Maybe plant a mole in the palace.
No. Queen Amo and the Black Witch are too wicked to be toyed with. I don't want to risk anybody's life.
So are you saying we should just wait?
Wait on the gods. They have never let me down. They're not going to start today.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Aura.
Greetings, fair maidens. What if she's a spy?
What?
Ori, what if Queen Amo planned it all from the beginning?
The gods have never lied to me. They never did. Queen. The God who mercy was nothing.
He killed you.
Who killed me? What are you talking about?
King La struck you before my presence.
My queen. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm right here.
I saw him.
It was just a dream, okay? Come on. It's just a dream. Lie down.
It was so true.
Come here. Come here. Lie down.
It was so real.
It's okay. It's just a dream, my queen.
It is good we are calm and composed, but let's not keep mute like those in mourning.
Let's take a stand and decide on what to do with Queen Amor's demand.
If the god says let us keep the girl here with us, then so be it.
I agree with King La. Let the girl stay, for it is the wish of the gods.
Is she staying in her own accord? Or she will be forced to?
We've all heard what the king said, that he promised to give her half of his treasure.
What? That is impossible!
No.
It's not acceptable!
It's not.
How could he promise her half of his treasure?
No.
Silence, please!
How are we sure she's not deceiving us? The only way we can be sure is for her to take an oath.
That settles it! United we stand!
Long live the 10 tribes of the gods!
But what about Queen Amor? What if she decides to attack on our things?
We will send her a message for her to buy us time. Again, that settles it. We will have time to plan on how to conquer the West.
United we stand.
Long live the 10 tribes of the gods! Now let's make merry. Let the drum roll. For victory is ours!
Victory is ours.
Announcing the arrival of Queen Mira of Zola Kingdom.
Welcome, my queen. Hope you had a stress-free journey.
The gods be praised. We arrived safely. That's for you.
Small gift. I've not even touched the former ones you brought. You are a kind queen. How about the king? Hope he's doing fine.
He is doing very well. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hope you know the way to your son.
Sure.
Come and help me. Let me come down.
old age. But I praise the gods of our land for today. Understand, my princess.
Wait here. I shall be back.
Greetings, my king.
Aura of desirability. Aside your beauty, what else do you possess?
I used to be a dancer.
A dancer?
Aha! Let the drums play. Or dance.
Congrats.
Hi, King Law. I need to inform my friend and brother the king so he can join us in this celebration.
Zola Kingdom has one of the finest wines.
Oh, yes, I agree, my friend. How is Prison?
Oh, my prince. Oh, he's doing fine. I actually don't know what it looks like, but I get reports from what his mother tells me. He did that.
I can see he actually looks like he's taking after his mother.
Come, bring more wine.
Your Majesty, I brought your clothes.
Oh. Wait, thank you. Just put it on the shelf.
Very Maiden, will it be too much of a request to ask for you to give me and my friends a massage?
It will be a great pleasure, my king.
No. Wait. Look, the queen.
Ah, come on, my friend. Come.
You know, Mom, you're making me shy.
You've really grown so big. Very brave. I mean, your father will be happy to see this progress.
And now is my father, the great and noble king.
He is doing so good.
You know, Mom, it saddens my heart that I've stayed very far away from my father in the palace for over 20 months now. And it's frustrating because I don't know if the gods will permit me to see him again.
Your father is mine, and he just returned from the West.
The West conquered.
They gave him conditions to surrender.
What?
They asked that their maiden should be returned to them.
What maiden?
Your father named her Aura of Disability.
Wow, she must be very beautiful.
You can say that again.
Is that taking another wife?
No, but I pray he does not.
gods are with you. They won't let anything hurt you.
I pray he don't.
Mother, is everything alright?
I don't know. I felt a certain way. Something is wrong. I need to go home, jeez.
Calm down. It's getting late already. No man treads on this path.
The gods will protect me. I need to go home. I feel something is wrong with your father. All is not well, please.
Mother.
The gods will protect you. I need to leave, please. Excuse me.
Why did you allow yourself to be deceived?
Oh Lord, have mercy! Please, have mercy, Lord!
Why did you break the bond I had with you?
Oh, have mercy! Please, God, have mercy! Have mercy, ancestors! God of my ancestors, have mercy! Ah! 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 Have mercy, Lord! Ah! 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 Have mercy! Have mercy! Have mercy, Lord! Yes! Leave my chamber! You brought calamity to my family! Out! Out! My Lord, have mercy! Let me run!
I can see confusion in the camp of our enemy. King Ankish is in trouble.
What kind of trouble? Is he dead?
The cloud is still dark, but I can see pains in his eyes.
How do we use this anguish to our advantage?
Send the birds to go and look for Ori. As soon as she sees them, she will follow them back home.
My queen.
Sister.
I have good news. The spy birds can go and bring her home.
I don't understand. I thought the blackbird cannot fly across Zola Kingdom.
King Ankish and his entire household will return. So they let their guards down.
Yes, it is time. Yes.
My lord, my king.
My queen,
What happened to you?
why did you leave?
I am here now. What happened to you?
How's our son?
You are sick. Who is that?
No! Don't let anyone in. I don't want them to see me like this. Please. Okay.
You'll be alright, okay?
Just stay close to me. Okay, my days are numbered.
No. The gods will not allow anything to happen to you. You'll be fine, my lord!
My lord!
Ankish, send Ori to the hidden chamber. Queen Amo and her black witch are after her. Send only your trusted guard to watch over her.
Calm down.
Get me the head guard.
Yes, my king.
Get me the head guard, please.
Yes, my king.
What am I doing here?
This is your new home.
My new home?
Yes.
For how long would I be here?
Until the gods say otherwise, you have to remain here. You have everything you need, so you don't need to worry yourself about anything.
Am I a prisoner now? Answer me!
The gods will protect you from all evil.
Zoe, there is trouble in your father's house. You shall rise early in the morning and return to your father. That is a message from the gods. Take your rest now, for you will need it tomorrow.
Your Majesty, King Ankish.
Speak, child. I am listening.
Majesty, it is me, Ori, your servant, calling. Please hear my cry.
Aura of desirability. What troubles you?
My king, why have you chosen to put me in this kind of situation? Will you watch me grow old and die without a husband or children? My king, take away all your promises and treasures and give me the freedom to marry and raise my own family. My king, take away all my treasures, my fame, my beauty, but grant me the honor to be called your queen.
Ori, you are with the gods now. Only they can grant you your wish.
The prophetess, I am ready.
Gods of our land, I thank you for keeping me alive to complete this assignment. Zoe!
Yes, Mother Prophetess.
Son of Ankish, as I send you to your destined throne, I open your eyes to see wisdom and unstop your ears to hear and obey the gods of your fathers. I unbound your lips with strength and speed. Be swift with your sword against your enemies. Be slow to anger. Be just with the innocent. Go and fight your enemies. Your father awaits. Go!
My king. My king. My king, you are not strong enough to attend to the matters of the state. Please.
My queen.
Yes.
Don't worry yourself, okay? My duty is bound to my people as long as I have breath in my lungs.
Long live your majesty.
Speak.
The Prince of the North is here to see you, your majesty.
Bring him in.
Your Majesty, the protector of 10 tribes. I came with my entourage. Should I go and bring them in?
Prince of the North, state your business.
Your Majesty, my name is Prince Zara, the cousin to King Obas. King Obas's father is my father's elder brother. And I came to seek Uri's hand in marriage.
Uri is of the gods alone.
Guards, get me water.
Who is there? Show yourself!
I am the God of your father, Ankish. And his father before him, from now on. I will be with you. I will whisper my wills and commands to you. The maiden that was prepared for you has been violated by your father, and so he will die before sunset today. Hurry home and meet him.
My wealth is worthless because I know it will obviously return back to the kingdom's dynasty. Indeed, King Ankish made me great, and he gave me a special place, but equally brought me pain and anguish. He was so good to me, but why has he replaced my light and happiness with darkness and sorrow? And now I must embrace this misfortune as my destiny. I must wish for death, for only in dying we find freedom. But as I die, I am certain that my history will never forget me. My story will be told to generations unborn.
Where is my father?
He is in his chambers.
Long live your majesty, father.
Thanks to the gods, I can see my son one last time before I lie with my ancestors.
How I wish.
Hold your tongue, young man. There's no time for regrets. My queen,
Yes, my lord.
please, give us the room.
Yes, my lord.
Ori. She's in the hidden chamber in Elephant Forest. You must not bury her in the ground or throw her body in the river. You have to preserve it properly. It is now part of the royal heritage and a gateway to the 10 tribes. The gods are wise.
Father, take it easy. Water!
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
My lord.
My time is up.
No, my lord. Nothing will happen to you. Okay? Nothing will happen to you, my lord.
My hand. Take care of your mother, Zola.
My lord. My lord. My lord. My lord. My lord! My lord! My lord! My lord, don't do this! No! No! My lord!
Mother, go and announce to the 10 tribes that the king is dead.
Speak, Lord. Will your handmaiden listen?
You will return back to the gods.
My God, did you bring me to Solar Kingdom to die? I would have stayed in Amame Kingdom and raised my family with Mori.
You were made for Zoe, the son of Ankish. But in your haste, you defiled your body by laying with his father.
My God, can't your favorite be given another chance?
Ankish, king of Zola, is dead.
No!
Mother, be strong. Please.
That's okay.
Your Majesty,
I don't want to see anybody.
I have a message from King La.
Prince Zol, son of Ankish, please forgive me. What happened to your father was my fault. I cajoled King Ankish to suffer the sweet fragrance of the aura of desirability, and God punishes us in their wrath.
Tell King La to appeal to the gods whom he offended. Zoe, the son of Ankish, bears him no grudges.
My lord, King La died few moments after hearing of your father's death.
What?
Two great kings die in just one day?
It's okay.
All for what?
Calm down. Please.
I must see the aura of desirability.
Oh no, son.
Mother! It is father's last wish and also the will of the gods.
But son,
Mother! I am not like my father. Let your heart be at rest. Please.
The gods are wise. The gods are wise.
Let's go.
God's be with you, son.
You are actually an aura of desirability. Your beauty surpasses that of anyone who treaded in the soil. It is a pity that two great kings returned to the gods just because of you.
You are Zoe, son of King Ankish. The husband I would never have. Even as I journey back to the land of the gods, I'm happy to spend some time with you.
Gods of my father, may it please you that Ori be my first queen, even in death.
Zul, son of Ankish, I grant your wish from this day. Uri will be known as the first queen of Zul, son of Ankish.
Any news? Uri is dead. So is King Ankish and King La.
What a loss. Such great beauty gone forever.
This is good news. My plans worked after all. This is good news. Now we go to war.
For there shall be no queen like me. I have killed many great kings. Gods and kings who ever talked about my powers. I will never lose any war. All I desire in this world shall be mine.
Kings and queens of the 10 tribes, I want to thank you all for accepting to crown me as the king of Zola Kingdom after my father. I want to announce to us all that I heard from the gods of the 10 tribes. They have decided to give us the West as our inheritance.
Long live the 10 tribes of the gods.
As I speak to you, Queen Amor and her cohort are planning an attack on us. Kings and queens of the 10 tribes of the gods, we go for war! United we stand!
Long live the 10 tribes of the gods!